I really wanna try out kung ano yung mga best gifts na pwede ko ipamigay this Christmas. This is not to encourage you to join the double-digit sale, but to be mindful kung sasali ka na lang din ng double-digit. Si Choki-Chok na nag-open ng this. Wow! Sakto. Hey besties, welcome to Mindful Boodle. This is a series about spending your money happily. In this series, I will be your personal financial and boodle bestie, where I will not only be sharing the contents of my shopping bag or yung cart ko, but the story behind each purchase, where I hope you could also learn and get a value from. Because I want to encourage you to not only spend, but also to be mindful on where you put your money. Because the truth is, your list of expenses reflect what you value in life. So I hope I can help you make choices that align with your true values, that bring joy to your life. To be honest, isa to sa mga favorite kong series na naisip ko kasi as a spender kasi yung money personality ko, which I will be creating a video about money personality, so abangan nyo yan. Spender yung money personality ko, so I feel the need to share all my best buys. Ang maganda naman sa mga spenders, talagang pinag-iisipan nila yung mga pinagkagastusan nila. Sa sobrang dami naming nabibili, alam na namin yung maganda tsaka hindi maganda. Gusto ko i-share sa inyo yung mga best buys na hanap ko recently. Anyway, this episode is an 11/11 haul. Obviously, nakapack pa po sila dito. At the same time, a list of unpopular Christmas gifts that you might want to add to your cart or add to your list that you can give to the people you love or even para sa sarili mo. By the way, I want to share that gifts is actually the love language that is kumpleto lahat ng love language. Diba meron tayong 5 love language. Yung una, service. You made an effort to find a gift for that person. Time. Nagbalot ka, naghanap ka ng gift, nag-scroll ka, nag-checkout ka, binigyan mo ng time. Physical touch, kapag ka binalot mo or nagsulat ka ng love letter doon, no? Yung Christmas card. Number 4, words of affirmation. Kahit sabihin mong yung Christmas card mo is like templated, to and from lang, you are still practicing the love language of words of affirmation. And lastly, of course, the gift itself. Gusto ko lang encourage kayo that the gifts that you give this Christmas is not just all about the amount of the gift. Having a gift, no matter how simple, is automatically you sharing your love to the person that you would give it to. Kaya dapat mindful ka sa mga bibigyan mo ng regalo at sa mga regalo na ibibigay mo. Anyway, dahil marami tayong budol ngayon, obviously, ang dami kong gifts na gusto na talagang buksan, guys. Ilang araw na yung iba dito, pero wala talaga akong time na mag-haul. Tsaka, I think today lang sila lahat na complete. Chineck out ko to, by the way, nung 11/11. May mga discounts, may mga nagpadala ng gift, iba-iba. Share ko na lang din yung prices when I open each package. Share ko na lang din pala that my giving love language yung ay gift giving. Very thoughtful ako pagdating sa regalo. Talagang pinag-iisipan ko. But at the same time, very cost-efficient din talaga ako magregalo. Last year, I actually gave out this caps. Nakalagay, I am a money magnet. Tapos yung isa, mukhang pera. Mura lang siya, and yet, a lot of people really appreciated that there's a money affirmation that they can wear every single day. Shinare ko na lang din kasi baka gusto nyong magregalo ng ganito this Christmas. So, ganito mangyayari. I will just open everything, and then I'll categorize from low, medium, and high prices. Low would be 200 pesos below, mid will be 201 to 500 pesos, and high would be 500 pesos above. Hopefully, this helps you find a guide of what to give this Christmas. Si Choki-Chok na nag-open ng this. Wow! Sakto. Before I start sharing all of these, I just wanna share that I'm not really a double-digit girl. Ibig sabihin, hindi talaga ako nagjo-join ng mga double-digit. As much as possible, nag-check out lang ako kapag kailangan ko talaga. And I really take time before I check out unless very important. Important for me is groceries and food. I wanna highlight that this is not to encourage you to join the double-digit sale, but to be mindful kung sasali ka na lang din ng double-digit. Kaya lang naman ako talaga sumali ng double-digit kasi nakita ko talaga ang daming discounts ngayon because I guess this is Lazada's biggest sale, Shopee's biggest sale as well this year. I really wanna try out kung ano yung mga best gifts na pwede ko ipamigay this Christmas. By the way, I wanna say that Kaskasan Buddies, itong grupo ni Jax, grabe mang budol, guys. Ingat kayo pag sumali kayo dyan. Grabe yung budol dyan. But more than the budol, I guess I'm really just thankful for the information. You use this code para magkaroon ng more discounts, check this store, etc. etc. So, let's start with the low budget gifts. Again, these are gifts that are less than 200 pesos. Ito yung favorite ko. Actually, nakita ko lang siya sa TikTok. Sa TikTok ko siya nakita. Tapos tinry ko siyang hanapin sa Shopee. Car sticker siya. Never ko nilagyan ng sticker yung car ko. Pero I just saw this. It's so cute to the point na I really wanna put it in my car. So, yung sticker na pinili ko, lagay ko na sa kotse. Pakita ko. Di nyo mabase. Pero nakalagay, huwag kang dumikit. Di tayo close. Tapos may mga smiley, may mga flowers, may sparkle. Parang cute, diba? Ewan ko, nakikitan talaga ako dito. So, lalagay ko siya. Nagpaalam naman ako kay Alec kung hindi ba baduy, nalagyan kong ganito yung kotse. Okay naman daw. So, this is only 120 pesos. Marami silang options ng mga designs, by the way. Cute gift siya, pwedeng ilagay sa kotse. Kasi, wala lang, feeling ko ang unique na magbibigay ka ng something that they can put in their car. And also, they gave me a freebie. Ang cute ng freebie, guys. Ito, passenger princess on board. And then this one, nakita ko lang din sa same shop. And I tried to check it out kasi gusto ko talaga siyang iregalo sa mga tao this Christmas. This is, by the way, mga stickers na to galing kay Kito Katsu. This package is happy to see you. Decal application. So, ito naman, nilalagay siya sa likod ng credit card sa CVV. This comes in 12 pieces for 27 pesos only. Feeling ko sobrang unique lang niya na walang makakaisip magregalo nito sa Pasko sa office ninyo, kundi ikaw lang kung napanood mo tong video na to. So, ito na lang. Check out mo. Nandyan yung link below. I'll share it with you. Kasi ang ganda ng packaging nila. Very social. Okay, so that's one. Number 2, hindi ko siya chinek out pero pinadala sa akin. And guys, I've been using it for days. Sobrang moisturized ng face ko dahil dito, by the way. These are the Lana products. This is the Lash and Brow. Gaganyan mo na lang siya bago ka matulog para kumapal yung brows mo at saka yung lashes mo. Meron ding toner. Naka-buy one, get one din to sa 11-11. So, abangan ninyo. Baka sa 12-12 naka-buy one, take one din siya. This one is the rice toner. I said it in my TikTok video. I'll link it below. Sinispray lang siya. Hindi mo kailangan ilagay sa kamay mo. Tapos, ispread mo ganyan. So, and then, may mga serums din silang binigay. I tried both. I really like the Hydrate and Illuminate Elixir. Tapos, itong Argan Oil kapag kagabi. So, ang ganda kasi kung gusto mo magregalo ng something that the person will use and talagang maganda sa skin. And mga soaps din. So, again, hindi ko memorize yung prices nila. But I'll put it here para lang makita ninyo yung difference ng mga products nila. So, ito yung tingnan nyo guys, nakasulat, You Matter. Nakalagay sa mga sabon nila, diba? So, Lana products, highly recommended kasi ang dami nilang buy one, take one. So, parang around 100 to 200 pesos lang each gift if papamigay mo siya. Yan i-approve. Okay, itong next kong binili, hindi ko alam sino yung nag-post na naka-buy one, take one to. I think si CK. In fairness, CK, nabudol mo talaga ako with the Happy Skin. Bumili ako ng lipstick because gusto ko lang itry yung mga bagong shade nila or ibang shade nila. Plus, guys, 600 kasi isa to na lipstick talaga, regular price. But during the Lazada sale, the 11-11 sale, parang pumapatak, 250 pesos lang siya. Less than 250 pesos each. It's called the Lip Mallow Plush Matte Lip Tint. Oh my God, I'm so excited kasi chinek out ko to. Sobrang tagal na nitong nasa cart ko, by the way. These are posters that you can hang in your wall. Pwede mo rin siyang ilagay sa frames, and pwede mo siyang ilagay directly. Let's now go to the mid-price gifts. Unang-una, best for exchange gift, floss, toothbrush, and mouthwash. Yung mouthwash came in two, I guess yun yung 11-11 budol. Dalawa siya for 385, which is good. So, ano yung gift dito? Magandang gift to. Something useful. Baka pwedeng ito na iregalo mo set. Next gift is actually, everyone's raving about this sunscreen by BLK. Ang ganda daw talaga ng sunscreen na to. So, bumili ako. Buy one, take one siya for 500 pesos. Another one that I got that I didn't buy pero pinadala sa akin. And oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. Are yung mga mink products ni Madam Riza. Madam Riza, bakit mo naman ako pinadalan? So guys, ang dami nilang sale during double digits. If you want to give intimate care product, pwede nyong i-check tong mink.ph. So, meron silang mga pang butt, meron silang pang boobies na mga mask and scrub. Meron din silang mga serum, guys. So, like, meron silang for underarm na serum, tapos meron din silang spray. And of course, dito ako medyo obsessed ngayon. Dalawa to eh. Yung isa ginagamit ko eh. Body wash. So, yung body wash nila, ang code niya, Body Wash. Guys, ang bango, promise. This is a gift in itself. Lagyan mo na lang ng ribbon, lagyan mo ng card. Pwede na yan. Hindi mo na kailangan balutin kasi ang cute talaga ng packaging nila. Hindi mo na kailangan balutin. Sobrang ganda ng packaging. Next! Ito guys, gusto ko talaga bumili ng Boya mic. Pero nakita ko kay Maring Jazz Reyes, my favorite influencer at the moment. Sobrang na-influence na niya ako, guys. Dahil gumawa siya ng mga mic review. Feeling ko, the next day, nung nag-release siya ng mic, nasabi niya ang ganda daw, na wireless mic, chinek out ko agad, ito yun, guys. Tapos dalawa na siya. So, we'll try it out, definitely. If you have friends of content creators, then this might be the right gift for them. Another one on the list, pinadala lang din to sa akin. It's actually a waffle maker. Ah, my gosh. Pangarap ko to. Sandwich maker and waffle maker. If you guys want to give out home appliances, check out Hodek on their TikTok shop. Lastly, for mid-price, ito talaga, ultimate budol, guys. Na pag binili ninyo to, pwedeng magbago yung buhay ng taong reregaluhan nyo. Ganong level, no? For only 500 pesos. So, best to for mga white elephant na worth 500 pesos. This is Alex's book. It's called Your Best Year Ever. We are also on Shopee. Ito, nasa Shopee na to, guys. You can get it on Shopee for only 500 pesos. This is a self-help personal development book. This can change a person's life. Why not buy it? Everyone will definitely appreciate getting a book. Kahit sabi mo hindi sila book reader like me. If it's about personal development, I think people will read it. So, kung ako sa inyo guys, bilhin nyo na. Support my jowa. Ang laki-laki po ng pangalan niya at ng mukha niya. But most importantly guys, nandito yung pangalan ko sa second page. So, gusto ko lang ipagmalaki. Nandiyan yung pangalan ko. So, kung ako sa inyo, this is the best book that you need this Christmas. Now, let's go to the, for high value, 2 things that I bought that I think more than 500 siya, but I think useful. So, this is a mirror. 12 bulb siya. Tricolor din siya na tinatap lang. This is only 1,383 pero nakakasosyal na. So, this one is 1,300, right? Yung gamit kong tripod ngayon, it's this, lalagay ko nandito, Ulanzi yung brand niya. Ang ganda niya kasi pwede siyang hand carry, pwede rin siyang kasing tangkad ko. I think up to 5 feet ata yung taas niya. Pwede siya sa camera, pwede rin siya sa phone. And then lastly is my favorite budol. Ngayon, I got a walking pad. So far, ginamit ko siya kahapon. Okay naman siya. Up to 6 kilometers per hour ang pwede niyang ilakad. Finally investing on my health again. So for me, it's worth it. Magandang regalo ang walking pad because you're encouraging people to walk and a healthy way to lose weight at the same time, you're encouraging them to be healthier, diba? So walking pad, di kailangan branded. So far, so good. And of course, last ko, wala na siya sa category talaga. It's a super high category, I would say. But just in case you're watching this and you want something that can transform your life, maybe this Christmas, or maybe your family's lives, build better relationships, then maybe this is the answer for you. I'm inviting you to Discovery. It's happening on December 16 to 17. We will be there as your facilitators in training. If you guys want a 2-day personal mastery retreat, it's like a retreat in the city, pero uwian lang po siya. It's happening in Ortigas, Ayala the 30th. Come join us, diba? Malay mo, dito yung best way for you to spend your 13th month pay. If you guys want to change your life, especially this 2024, maybe Discovery is the right seminar for you. Check out my link below. See you on December 16 and 17. I want to close this first episode of Mindful Budol with I hope marami kayong nakuha ideas for Christmas gifts for your loved ones. Comment nyo dyan below ano yung favorite ninyong gift that you will probably give to people. Again, I just want to remind everyone that Christmas is all about the celebration or the season, not the gift that you're gonna give. But just in case you want to still give, then these are the options, best options that you can find before the Christmas season. And tip ko din sa inyo, of course, to maximize your cards, maximize your 12-12 budol. Ito na, i-add to cart nyo na lahat. Pag-isipan ninyo if that's what you really want to give. So again, this is Coach Yani reminding you to spend, and be happy about it. Thank you so much for watching and stay blissful, besties. Mwah!